So student, today I am going to explain you about biomagnification or biological magnification. Okay, so as we know that many pesticides like DDT, Aldrin, they are present lifelong in the environment. Okay, so they are fat soluble and easily can be accommodated in body of different animals. Are you getting my point? As we know, these pesticides और are non biodegradable. Non biodegradable means जो environment में degrade नहीं हो सकते हैं. Okay, so the chemicals are always available in our environment, and if we are pouring DDT here and there, so DDT can easily mix with soil. So after incorporating into food chain, whenever DDT incorporating or adding in our food chain, that time they gets magnified and accumulate in each level of food chain. Okay, so accumulation of different chemical in each trophic level of food chain is known as biological magnification. So I hope somehow you are getting an idea about biomagnification. So the concentration of harmful substances increase each and every level of trophic level. As earlier I have explained about the trophic levels, so I don't think so you are having any problem related with trophical level. Okay, so that picture which I have shown on your screen, so each and every level is known as the step of food chain. Okay, one example has given here, and these all steps are known as the different trophic levels. So as I am giving you example related with DDT, because first time in DDT only it has identified. Okay, so this DDT or different other pollutants like mercury, lead, copper, strontium 90, they all chemicals are accommodated in each and every level. ये सारे chemical environment में होते हैं और food chain में वो accumulate होते जाते हैं. Means and each and every level, जितना ट्रॉफिक लेवल ऊपर को बढ़ेगा उतना ही इनका कंसंट्रेशन भी बढ़ता है. लाइक सिंपल एग्जांपल आई एम गिविंग यू. इन वाटर सपोज DDT concentration is 1, so producer, this water is consumed by producer, so they get 1000 time more. Zooplankton 10,000 time. Small fishes are taking zooplankton, so you can see each and every level the accommodation or concentration of DDT in increasing. So if suppose you are eating contaminated fishes, large fishes, that time you are taking this much amount of DDT, because DDT फैट soluble, और फैट soluble होने से जितने भी स्टेप्स में फैट कंटेनिंग एनिमल्स हैं उनमें ये कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ता जाता है. ओके, सो ईच एंड एवरी ट्रॉपिक लेवल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड ईच एंड एवरी ट्रॉपिक लेवल you can assume or you can report that different pollutants and their concentration is increasing in each trophic level. Simple example given about DDT, so you can understand the different type of pesticide and their concentration in each level of food chain. Whenever any chemical entered in our food chain, so that time it means that it can be accumulate in more and more in higher trophic level. I hope biological magnification is clear. If you have any question related with biological magnification, and this is the last topic of your syllabus, I hope that much is clear. If you have any query regarding this, please send me your question. Thank you, children.